Welcome viewers. Do you wake up feeling exhausted, drag yourself through the day, and still end up tired at night? Feeling tired all the time isn't always just about not getting enough sleep, it can be your body's way of telling you that something is wrong. In this video, we'll explore the common lifestyle and medical reasons behind constant tiredness and what you can do to regain your energy. Tiredness is not just laziness. Tiredness is often misunderstood as being lazy. But in reality, it can be linked to both your physical health and your mental well-being. Sometimes it's due to poor daily habits, and sometimes it's a sign of an underlying medical problem. That's why paying attention to it is important. Lack of quality sleep. Our bodies need 7 to 8 hours of good, deep sleep every night. Even if you're in bed for that long, poor sleep quality, caused by noise, light, or stress, can still make you feel tired. Without proper rest, your brain and muscles don't recover, leaving you drained the next day. Poor diet. If your diet is low in iron, vitamins, protein, and healthy fats, your body won't have the fuel it needs. Too much junk food and skipping meals can drop your energy levels quickly. Eating a balanced diet helps keep your body active and alert. Dehydration. Water is essential for your body's energy systems. When you don't drink enough, your blood thickens, circulation slows, and your brain gets less oxygen, all of which cause fatigue. Aim for at least 2 to 3 liters a day. Sedentary lifestyle. Sitting all day without movement slows your blood flow and weakens muscles. This can make you feel tired even when you haven't done much work. Regular movement boosts energy and keeps your body active. Overwork and stress. Mental stress drains your energy faster than you think. Long working hours, overthinking, and constant pressure exhaust the brain. Rest, relaxation, and breaks are essential to recharge. Anemia. Anemia means your blood has fewer red blood cells or less hemoglobin, which reduces oxygen supply to your body. It's common in iron deficiency and causes weakness, pale skin, and dizziness. A simple blood test can diagnose it. Thyroid problems. An underactive thyroid slows your body's metabolism. You may gain weight, feel cold, and remain tired all day. Thyroid hormone testing is the only way to confirm it. Diabetes. When blood sugar is too high or too low, your cells can't get the energy they need. Fluctuating sugar levels lead to constant tiredness. Managing diabetes through diet, medicine, and lifestyle is important. Sleep apnea. This condition stops your breathing during sleep for short periods. It reduces oxygen to your brain and disrupts deep sleep. It's often treated with medical devices like CAP machines. Depression. Mental health directly affects your physical energy. Depression can cause tiredness even without physical activity. Emotional support, therapy, and treatment can help. Chronic fatigue syndrome. This is a long-term, unexplained tiredness that doesn't go away with rest. It may last for months or years and needs professional medical evaluation. Vitamin deficiencies. Low vitamin D or B12 can cause weakness and low energy. Getting enough sunlight, eating nutrient-rich food, or taking supplements may be necessary. Alcohol and smoking. Both damage your body's energy systems. They reduce sleep quality, lower oxygen in the blood, and slow recovery. Reducing or quitting can boost energy. When to see a doctor. If tiredness lasts more than 2 weeks, or is accompanied by weight loss, fever, breathlessness, or night sweats, see a doctor. These may be signs of serious health conditions. Daily energy tips. Get enough good quality sleep. Eat balanced, nutritious meals. Stay hydrated. Exercise at least 30 minutes a day. Stress management. Try deep breathing, meditation, or yoga. Avoid excessive social media and stressful news. Take short breaks during work to reset your mind. Improve sleep quality. Make your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Keep a regular sleep schedule. Avoid caffeine in the evening. Healthy diet habits. Include fruits, vegetables, and protein in every meal. Eat iron-rich foods like leafy greens and lean meat. Limit sugar and processed foods. Hydration reminders. Carry a water bottle with you. Drink before you feel thirsty. Limit sugary drinks. Try herbal teas for variety. Exercise for energy. Walking and light workouts boost blood circulation. Strength training improves muscle function. Regular exercise improves sleep and reduces stress. Monitor your health. Have regular medical checkups. Get blood tests when needed. Pay attention to changes in your energy levels. Don't ignore warning signs. Summary. Tiredness has many possible causes, from daily habits to serious illnesses. Most can be prevented or improved with lifestyle changes. But persistent tiredness should always be checked by a doctor. Thank you for watching. Your energy is your strength, and your health is your responsibility. Small changes in your lifestyle can lead to big improvements in how you feel. Stay active, eat well, sleep well, and take care of yourself. Please like, share and subscribe for more health-related info.